Guys, are you ready for this? Like, actually ready. We're talking about the universe today, the biggest mystery that's ever existed. And no, I'm not talking about what's in a samosa chutney. This is about what's beyond our planet, beyond our galaxy. What's out there in the vast emptiness of space. I mean, we've been staring at stars for centuries, right? Trying to figure out what's up there, making up constellations like we're playing cosmic connect the dots. But our telescopes, they were like those blurry childhood photos, you know? We knew there was more to see, but the technology was holding us back. Enter the James Webb Space Telescope, the superhero of space exploration. This thing is changing everything. It's like upgrading from your grandma's spectacles to those super expensive VR headsets. We're talking crystal clear images from the dawn of time. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the Webb Telescope's discoveries, and trust me, they are mind-blowing. Okay, first things first, we need to talk about the tech because this ain't your average telescope, you know? This is like the iPhone 15 Pro Max of telescopes, and we're still stuck with Nokia 1100s. The Hubble telescope, that was cool and all. But the Webb telescope, it's like comparing a Maruti 800 to a Tesla. See, Hubble, it mostly saw things in visible light, like what we see. But the Webb telescope, this bad boy, sees in infrared. Now, why is that a big deal? Imagine trying to look through a window covered in steam. That's space with all the dust and gas. Infrared cuts through that, giving us a clear view. It's like magic, but science. And the mirror, guys, the mirror. Hubble's mirror was like a decent-sized pizza. But Webb's is a whole buffet table. 6.5 meters wide. That means it collects way more light, giving us super sharp images of galaxies, like really far away. I'm talking about galaxies so far, they probably don't even have good internet yet. Think about it. We're seeing things that happened billions of years ago. Light that's been traveling since before dinosaurs roamed the Earth. It's like looking back in time, like a cosmic time machine. I'm talking about the first galaxies that ever formed after the Big Bang. The OG galaxies, chilling out billions of light years away. And the detail, my friends, the detail. We're not just seeing blurry blobs anymore. We're seeing the structure of these early galaxies. It's like someone hit the HD button on the universe. And you know what's even cooler? We're seeing how stars formed in these galaxies. Those giant balls of fire that light up our night sky. We're literally witnessing the birth of stars, the same process that created our sun, billions of years ago. It's like a cosmic nursery rhyme with a rocking tune. But instead of a baby, it's a giant ball of burning gas. It's mind-blowing, right? And it's not just about looking at pretty pictures, though they are pretty darn amazing. This data is helping us understand how galaxies evolve, how the universe went from a hot, dense soup to the structured beauty we see today. It's like putting together a giant jigsaw puzzle, except the pieces are scattered across billions of light years, and the picture is constantly changing. But hey, that's science for you, always keeping us on our toes. All right, let's talk about aliens. Because who doesn't love a good alien story? But forget those blurry photos of UFOs. We're talking about actual scientific evidence here. See, the Webb Telescope, it's not just looking at galaxies far, far away. It's also checking out our neighbors, the exoplanet. Now, exoplanets are planets that orbit other stars, like planets in our solar system, but with a different sun. And the Webb Telescope, it can actually study the atmospheres of these exoplanets. I mean, how cool is that? It's like having a superpower, being able to sniff out the air on a planet light years away. And why are we so interested in these exoplanet atmospheres? Well, we're looking for signs of life, bro. We're talking about detecting things like water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide, the essential ingredients for life as we know it. It's like looking for the ingredients of biryani in a grocery store, but instead of a grocery store, it's a planet millions of miles away. Imagine we find an exoplanet with an atmosphere full of oxygen, maybe even signs of plant life. That would be huge. It would mean we're not alone in this vast cosmic playground. It would be like finding out your annoying neighbor is actually an alien in disguise. Okay, maybe not that last part. But seriously, the Webb Telescope is giving us the best chance yet of finding life beyond Earth. It's like having a cosmic metal detector, scanning the universe for that telltale beep that says, hey, there might be something interesting here. And even if we don't find aliens or their biryani, studying these exoplanets will teach us so much about how planets form, how atmospheres evolve, and maybe even give us clues about the future of our own planet. It's like a giant science experiment, but instead of a lab, we have the entire universe. So yeah, the next time you look up at the stars, remember, there might be someone or something looking back at. And thanks to the Webb Telescope, we might actually get to meet them, or at least see what kind of air they're breathing. Alright guys, let's get real for a second. The universe is a weird place, and I'm not just talking about that weird smell in your refrigerator. I'm talking about black holes and dark matter, the stuff that keeps astrophysicists up at night. See, black holes, they're like the vacuum cleaners of the universe, sucking up everything around them, even light. They're regions of space-time where gravity is so strong, nothing can escape, not even your dad jokes. And the Webb Telescope, with its superpowered vision, is giving us the clearest images yet of these cosmic monsters. We're talking about seeing the superheated gas swirling around the event horizon, the point of no return. It's like watching a cosmic drain, except instead of water, it's matter being stretched and torn apart. It's terrifyingly beautiful, like a spider web made of stars and gas. And it's not just about pretty pictures, though they are pretty darn amazing. By studying black holes, we can learn about the evolution of galaxies, the nature of gravity, and maybe even the fate of the universe itself. But wait, there's more. The universe is full of surprises, and one of the biggest is dark matter. See, we can't see dark matter directly. It doesn't emit light or interact with it. It's like the ghost of the cosmos. But we know it's there because of its gravitational effects on the things we can see, like stars and galaxies. It's like trying to figure out who stole the cookies from the jar, even though you didn't see them. And guess what? The Webb Telescope is helping us map dark matter by observing how it bends light from distant galaxies. It's like using a cosmic magnifying glass to see the invisible. We still don't know what dark matter is made of, but the Webb Telescope is giving us the tools to finally unlock this cosmic mystery. It's like being handed a treasure map, and the treasure is a deeper understanding of the universe itself. So yeah, the universe is a strange and wonderful place, full of black holes, dark matter, and who knows what else. So, we've talked about the Webb Telescope, its mind-blowing discoveries, and the cosmic mysteries it's helping us unravel. But this is just the beginning, guys. The tip of the cosmic iceberg. The Webb Telescope is expected to operate for at least 10 years. And in that time, who knows what it will find? We might discover new galaxies, new planets, maybe even new forms of life. Imagine finding a planet with oceans of liquid methane, or a galaxy made entirely of dark matter. The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes space exploration so damn exciting. It's like setting off on a grand adventure, knowing that every day could bring a new discovery, a new challenge, a new wonder. And the best part? We're all part of this journey. Whether you're an astrophysicist, a science enthusiast, or just someone who occasionally looks up at the stars and wonders, what's out there? The Webb Telescope is a testament to human ingenuity, our desire to explore, to understand the universe and our place in it. It's a reminder that there's still so much out there to discover, so much we don't know. And that's okay, because it's the unknown that drives us, that inspires us to keep searching, to keep asking questions, to keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So the next time you're feeling down, remember this. We live in a universe that's billions of years old, filled with trillions of stars, and we've only just begun to scratch the surface. There's a whole universe out there waiting to be explored, and who knows, maybe one day, you'll be the one to make the next big discovery. Until then, keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never lose your sense of wonder. Because the universe is a pretty amazing place, and we're lucky to be a part of it, even if it's just for a little while. So, what did you guys think? Pretty mind-blowing, right? The James Webb Space Telescope is showing us the universe like we've never seen it before. And I, for one, am hooked. If you're as fascinated by space as I am, hit that like button and subscribe to Fact Fusion for more cosmic adventures. And hey, since you're clearly a fan of the mind-blowing, you absolutely need to check out our next video. We're diving deep into the weirdest planets ever discovered. Trust me, you won't want to miss. Keep exploring the wonders of the universe with us, because things are about to get even more interesting.